balance test you can do at home to see how good your balance is. So what we're going to do is find a surface that is at the correct level to where you could kind of use your hands if you needed to kind of catch your balance. We don't want you falling over. So countertop, maybe kitchen table with something on top of it. That might be helpful. Cabinet, something like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to cross your arms like Allie is. So kind of cross your arms like this, and you're going to pick up 1 foot. Okay, so Allie's going to pick up 1 foot. If it helps, you can kind of look across the room and stare at something. Usually if you stare at an object, it will help you kind of improve your balance. But basically, you should be able to do this for 45 seconds. If you're swaying a lot, or if you have to kind of uncross your arms, then you have to stop your time for that test. So you can kind of set a timer, look at a clock, whatever you need to do to try to find out how long you can do that for. If that is really easy, you can do that for more than 45 seconds. Then what you're going to do is close your eyes. So Allie's going to do that. Pick your foot up, stand, close your eyes. You should notice that this becomes more difficult. As you take away vision, that's one of the main things that keeps you upright or keeps you in balance. So it should be a little bit harder. So what happens is you might fall a little bit. So Allie's kind of shifting side to side to kind of correct for that, right? So if you tap your foot down or you kind of shift side to side, then you kind of stop the test as well. So the good news is if you can maintain it for 45 seconds, you don't need to be able to maintain your balance for 45 seconds with your eyes closed. Near this video, you're going to find a chart based on your age, what your times should be. So if you get up to those times, you're good. If you cannot, stand on 1 foot and do both sides, by the way. You want to make sure that your balance is equal on both sides. If you cannot do that for the time allotted for eyes open and eyes closed, indication that there's something going on with your balance. So it could be weakness in the muscles in your legs, poor control of the muscles in your feet that kind of hold you upright, or it could be another systemic problem, could be some vertigo, or it could be just as you age, your balance tends to get worse if you don't do anything like practicing things like this to improve it. So do that test at home.